Hey, welcome back to the channel. Got a couple of parts for the new Indian, so let's go ahead and check them out. So first thing I got was actually this antenna. The radio is a little scratchy, 30 bucks. The antenna on the back is pretty low, and when I move it around, it gets clearer, so I figure that's what it is. So I just got this cheap one, show chrome accessories. But yeah, this one's here nor there. That's not what this video is about. Power Vision 4, Dyno Jet. The bike here is running a little rough. Actually, I shouldn't say that. It's running the way it's supposed to be, but it does have a check engine light came on it. Now, I do actually suspect it's because I'm an idiot and Harley Davidson doesn't have this feature and most other motorcycles have it. But I've thrown the kickstand down a couple times while it's in gear and it shuts off. The Royal Enfield does that as well. If you try to put it in gear when the kickstand's down, it just craps out. It's a safety feature. This one even has an idiot light on it that actually has side stand down. But so I'm suspecting that's what it is. So unfortunately, you'd have to go have it hooked up because there's no way of finding the code, at least not that I can find online. In the manual, it just says bring it to an authorized dealer. However, I figured I'd just get a dyno jet anyways because I don't know if this thing's ever been tuned. It has a cam, high flow air cleaner, and I'm not 100% sure on the pipes here. I haven't really looked into it that much. So I think it needs a tune anyways, but one thing is I need to get that check engine light off, and I don't want to bring it to a dealer, so might as well get this. Now this is the Power Vision 4. It's different than the one I have for the Softail. Sorry, the Softail's outside. So I don't know how to use this. It's all done with the phone, so I guess I'm going to have to hook it up and use the phone to figure this all out. Anyways, let's break it open. So this is what you get in the box. Quick get started now. It's a QR code, and this pretty expensive for this, but I'm gonna do screen record, I guess, to set up the to scan the code and set it up on my phone, because instead of having it, like a standalone one like I said what the Harley has, this is it here, and you do everything through the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and screen record this and see how that goes. Play Store, let's search. Power Vision 4. There we go. Install. So sign in to continue. I wonder if my previous one would be on here. Let's just see. Okay, there. I had to create an account, but you just sign in, and now we have to plug it in. I'm going to just do the instructions here first because I'm not 100% sure where I have to put it in on this bike. So I'm going to have a look. So to hook it up, diagnostic port right here, and underneath the thing here is actually the port that actually will go into diagnostic port. So I'm just going to throw that on like that, and this will plug in to the dyno jet. So that's how it's going to look. That's the dyno jet, the adapter, and the diagnostic port. Now you just turn on the bike. I'm going to switch back over to the screen recorder, but for now let's put the bike on. So there, we're back onto the bike. Let's scan. Bluetooth access to nearby devices must be allowed to connect. Enable. Allow. Click on the thing. Required firmware update is available. Would you like to install now? Okay. Continue. Required. Sorry, I'll edit all this out. So I had to back out and go back in for this BLE firmware to open up or to download. Continue. Okay, so I think the first thing we'll do is let's do the diagnostic here just to see what the issue is. 2 codes. Okay, so it won't actually tell me what they actually are. Let me just, I'm going to take a picture and see if I can find them somewhere else. Now let's do tunes. I'm going to read ECU. Yes. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so that took quite a while. I'm going to say, well, quite a while. Probably like 6 or 7 minutes. So tap upload to save your ECU stock. Your stock calibration was successfully saved. Continue. Okay, so now here's the different ones that we can do here. Now, I guess we have to figure out what we have. I don't know what the cams are that the guy put on. Like these ones have 558 cams. These are all stage 2. Those don't. Indian stage 2 cam. I'm going to say they're Indian stage 2. Freedom True Dual Exhaust. I mean, it has dual exhaust. I don't know if it's Freedom. Indian high flow intake, yes. Altered main target AFR table. I'm going to say yes because I did find out that this has a power commander on it. Altered timing, raised rev limit, that I don't know. Raised speed limits, adjusted dBW. What's the difference? High flow intake. This is Indian. I altered. Let's go back to the top. Indian performance intake, main target AFR table, VE table, altered timing. I think I'm gonna try this one because it has Indian stage 2 cams. The guy did Indian intake and he has Indian exhaust, so I'm going to assume he did the Indian stage 2 cams as well. So let's do this one. Revision 1, tune combat. Let's flash the tune. Do you want to redeem a token? Yes. Yes. Okay, so let's turn the bike off and redo it. There. And it actually took the check engine light off just by doing the flash. There, that's the power vision. There's more to it, obviously, that you can do with it, but I'm not going to bore you with it because that's half the fun is figuring out what you can do on the thing. So, anyways, until next time, later.